Good morning guys, and in front of me is VIVO Y27 and let me show you how to update apps. First of all, open your Play Store. Now just verify your biometrics here. And now mark your account icon. Click on My Apps and Games and then select See Details under Updates Available. So here you've got all apps that can be updated. You can either update one particular app or update all apps at once, however you like. Mark either update all or update right next to some app icon and it will be done. Then you can use your device in a normal way. The process would be done in the background. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.